In this video, let me show you how to open a SMB bank account online Saudi. Now, in order to complete this process, you need to first of all download the application and also make sure that the Nafath application is also installed within your device, because you need to accept the request once you are in the process of creating an account. So make sure you have that application within your device as well. And in order to get started, make sure you open up the application, and within the home page you should be able to see the option called either login or new customer. Simply head over to the new customer option, and in order to get started, you need to first of all enter in your national ID. So make sure you do that and then tap on next. In the next step, it is going to ask you to fill in your information such as your profession, your employer's name, your monthly income, as well as your source of funds. Once that step is complete as well, as I just said, you just need to accept the request within the Nafath application within your device, and you just need to create up your credentials, which is the username and the password, so that you can simply head over to the login page, enter in your credentials, and then log into your account. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.